Sadya ba yun na matigas yung hair mo when you color it? Super ganda. I hope I'm not allergic to this. Hey ladies! Hi! So you're probably wondering why my makeup is already done right now. So it's because we're going to do something different today. Since we've been staying at home for so long and it's getting kind of boring, I've already done like my skincare stuff. So I think the next step for me is to change up my hair color. Ever since I was in high school, I really wanted to try crazy colors, especially when it's summer. Kasi kapag bakasyon, I usually have friends who have this crazy color. Some of them goes blonde. I never got to try that. And another reason is because my hair is rebonded, so I can't bleach my hair because it's gonna get really damaged. It was off limits for me, which is kinda sad. That's why I tend to use or look for semi-permanent hair colors. I know it's a thing before, but I never got to try it still kasi after high school, I went to college. Okay, it's time for me to experiment and shit. Nga, di pa rin ako nakapagkulay ng buhok na gusto ko. The closest thing that I got to coloring my hair in a different color, it was with my pen shop colored hair wax, which is for guys, ideally. It didn't work out that well for me kasi tumigas nga yung buhok ko. It was messy, bruh. Fast forward to today, I think I could color my hair right now kasi I don't think that I'll be able to rebond my hair right now since lahat ng salon is closed and social distancing and stuff. So I said,
this is the right opportunity for me to color my hair whatever I want!
And I bought a semi-permanent hair color on Shopee last month. So let's proceed to the product review. Is this a product review or whatever? This is the product that I got from Shopee and it's from the store called Siren Hair PH. Medyo matagal ko siyang inintay bago ko siya mabili because it's out of stock and ayun, I think the owner was on vacation. I got this on last May 20. Oh my god, it's been a month na nga talaga. This also cost $240 kasama na yung shipping. It was really packaged very well. Sobrang kapal nung bubble wrap na nakapalibot sa kanya. And also, the seller is very accommodating. Remember, this is my first time coloring my first hair. What? Remember that this is my first time coloring my own hair. So I usually let the experts do that for me. I got to ask her a lot of questions about coloring my hair. So first, I let her know that, Miss, this is my first time coloring my hair and do I need to use a developer for your hair color? And she said no. Is it okay if I don't bleach my hair? And then she asked for a photo of my hair and then I told her that my hair was rebonded. That's why I don't want to bleach it because it's gonna get really damaged. So yun, hindi ako bumili ng developer, hindi ako bumili ng bleach. And also, I looked at reviews din naman. It works with hairs that aren't bleached. So, we'll see. The color that I got is emerald kasi ever since high school, I really wanna try to have green hair. Although I don't like the color green, but it really looks cool on other people's hair. Sticker! According to their store, their products are non-harmful chemical dyes, they are safe for breastfeeding mamas, and they are cruelty-free, and they are sulfate and paraben-free. Now that the tape is gone, I have the materials here in front of me that I have to use. Medyo in-effortan ko siya, girl. I also bought this one, which is a mixing set. It has a one piece of applicator bowl, one piece color dye brush, and gloves. I think I need a hair cap because I'll have to leave the dye for 1 hour on my hair. This is all I got. This one, just in case I need to section my hair or just to comb my hair. I'm pretty confident that this is gonna turn epic, as according to my shirt. So, the product comes with an instruction na maliit na ganon, but I threw it away because who reads instructions? Who needs instructions? But anyway, I read it Okay, it says there that don't color your hair while it's wet. It says there that after applying, you have to leave it for an hour. That's why we need our shower cap. After that, you have to rinse it well with shampoo and conditioner. So, before I start, I'm not gonna waste this shirt because I love it. And so, I'm gonna change into something. As prepared as I may seem, I think I need something to section my hair. That's why I have this hair ties. I don't know if this will work. I'm gonna start sectioning my hair. Ang plan ko is to just color the lower part of my hair para pagka hindi ko siya nagustuhan, I can just cut it off. I think that this is still really thick. We'll just figure it out as we go. So let's take a smell test of the product. Oh my god! This is pretty cool. Hindi siya amoy chemical. It actually smells like bubblegum. My mind thinks that I wanna eat this, but no girl, it's for your hair. Don't die doing this. I'm excited, okay. So, yun nga, lower part first. So, hinati ko siya into half. And then, I'll grab this section and I'll start over here. I just hope my mom doesn't kill me after seeing what I did with my hair. Do I have to do this? Okay. Ang hirap ah. Ah! It smells like bubblegum! And then I saw them massage it like this. I don't know what I'm doing, bro. It's actually cool on my hair. Hindi siya yung mainit na feeling mo masusunog. So, that's good. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do the ombre style because I'm just eyeballing kung saan ko malagay yung brush. This is comfy. So I finally got it, I think. Massage it. Massage it. Okay, medyo sanay na ako kung paano ko siya gawin. And it's pretty hard. Like I said, I'm not a hair person, so I'll see you guys when I'm almost finished and
a few moments later.
hey, welcome back ladies! Hi, this is the mess I've made right now. As you can see, hindi pa naman ako tapos mag-color ng hair. I still have the top layer. Sadya ba yun na matigas yung hair mo when you color it? I'm actually having a hard time coloring the back part of my hair. So, ang ginawa ko lang is mamput ako ng hair color and then I colored it back there. So, I don't know if pantay yung kulay. I think I'm failing at the ombre thing. But, okay, I'm having fun coloring my hair. But I'll just continue doing this for all those experts in hair coloring that are watching this. You know, guys, I'm not an expert in this. This is my first time. I always watch Stalacini, but girl, that girl is a goddess. And sobrang galing niya. Any hair color that she do on her hair is super ganda. I was influenced by her. Kaya, ang dami ko na ding hair color sa neck and face area. And I hope I'm not allergic to this. I didn't do a swap test or something. I can see that this is what happens when it dries out. On my comb, it becomes chalky. So, I don't know about that. I don't know kung bakit ang hair color ay magkakaroon ng fallouts. Basta I'm so messy right now. This off cam and you'll see me with the hair cap on na lang. I'm already done coloring my hair. And I think it got darker and I can see the tinge of green, but I don't know if it's gonna show up after I wash it. After the mess I've made over here in front of me, which I won't let you see, I have colors over here on my neck, on my nape, on my arms, and nag-drop din ako ng color or ng hair dye sa pants ko. So, the next thing that we're going to do is leave this for an hour. So, we're gonna time it. But I'm gonna leave this on a hair cap since I'm gonna eat, since it's already lunch and hindi pa ako makain. I'm gonna use the worn out hair cap that I have. I'll just have to wait for an hour and I'll get back to you guys and we'll see the results. Okay, I'm back and it's time for the big reveal. And hindi ko pa din nakikita yung buhok ko sa salamin, promise. And I don't know if it worked or not, but while I was washing my hair, I think all of the pigment went down the drain. So you'll be the first to see if the product is really worth it or if it really works. So, hindi pa rin siya dried up, hindi pa rin siya sunuklay. Oh, but there are stains on my towel. Okay. And the smell is still there. For the price, I think it's good. The smell, that is also pretty. And I think this is effective if you only have the right color of hair. I can see a little tinge of green. Maybe this hair color will actually work with lighter hair colors or bleached ones. At least kapag doon, you could actually see the difference or you could actually see the pigment. But if your hair is like as brown as mine or as dark as mine, like yung kanina, it probably won't work. It actually does make your hair softer. Aside from using a conditioner, this alone while washing it off or the pigment off actually makes your hair softer. So, having a very accommodating seller is another plus. On my part, I didn't bleach my hair. So, as sabi, hindi naman daw kailangan ng developer, which is another point. Hindi naman daw kailangan ng developer, but maybe, just maybe, if I did use a developer, baka mas lalong kumapit siya sa hair ko. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to ring the bell to get notified whenever I upload new videos. Hopefully every week. So right now, I can upload videos every week, I think. I've been uploading videos every week. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!